One of the reasons for this has been we have not been able to do adequate social distancing, which is leading to cases being increasing every day. Today we have got 84 active cases in Puducherry. This is only a graph about how we are growing. If we grow at this pace, this is our doubling rate. This consciousness has to go down to the public that unless we download Arogya Setu, we do not know, contact tracing will become difficult. We will not know who will be the next person who will contract the virus. So, my request to all of the public is that please download the Arogya Setu app. Please maintain the 3 S's required. Unless you do so, you are not sure how fast the spurt in virus can go up in Puducherry, and this may lead to problems. We are witness and we are seeing daily on the television what is happening in bigger cities like Delhi and Mumbai. The number of cases are growing very, very fast. It's time for caution. People need to be very, very careful. Unless that is there, in 1 month from today, we might be in real deep trouble. And I am mincing no words in saying this. We have one of the best hospital infrastructures in this country, in Puducherry, but still, unless we control the virus, keep the number of cases on the lower end, we will not be able to control, to flatten the curve. Thank you.